Hello students, I welcome you all in industrial chemistry class. In previous lecture, we have started our second chapter, that is agrochemicals. In last lecture, we have discussed types of what is meant by pesticide and on the basis of their application, pesticides are classified into various categories, that is insecticide, fungicide, herbicide, rodenticide, etc. So in this context, we have discussed that what is meant by pest. Pest is nothing but unwanted or harmful organism called as a pest. Unwanted or harmful organisms are called as pest. And later on we have discussed that pesticides are nothing but any substance or chemical substance, any substance or chemical substance used to control or destroy the pest, and pest is nothing but what? Unwanted or harmful organism called as pesticide. So in last lecture we have discussed about the pest and pesticide. In addition to this, we have discussed that among all these classification, we have started our first point, that is insecticides. See, now these pesticides are classified in a particular way according to their application. So application, insecticide. We have seen that what is pest. Pest is nothing but unwanted or harmful organism, and pesticide is nothing but substance which is used to control this pest. That is nothing but unwanted or harmful organism called as pesticide. Now insecticide, any substance or chemical substance used to control or destroy the insects called as an insecticide. Very simple. Any substance or chemical substance used to control the insects called as insecticide. Students, I hope you have understood the point which we have discussed in last lecture. Even I recapped it also in detail. In today's lecture, we are going to see the next type. It is a herbicide. What is a herbicide? Very simple, as we have mentioned it, as we have defined it. What is meant by insecticide? It is about the herb. Means any substance or chemical substance used to control the unwanted herb or weed called as herbicide. Fine. Unlike the definition of insecticide, the definition of herbicide is also very simple. Any substance or chemical substance which is used to control the herbs or unwanted weeds called as a herbicide. Students, if you remember, we have classified insecticide on the basis of their mode of action and on the basis of their chemical nature. Unlike their classification, herbicide is also we are going to classify like that. You keep writing herbicide, any substance or chemical substance used to control the unwanted herb or weed called as a herbicide. Now we will see the classification. So students, herbicides are classified on the basis of mode of action and it is categorized into two ways. It is classified into two ways, that is a selective herbicide and second one is a non-selective herbicide. In selective herbicide, selective means we have learned the term selectivity. It's a selective. So it damages, in selective herbicides, it damages or it destroys only unwanted weed, or herb it damages or destroys only unwanted weed or herb without damaging crop. Without damaging crop. Selective herbicide, it damages or destroys only unwanted weed or herb without damaging crop, and non-selective herbicide is that it destroys all crops and vegetarian. It destroys all crops and vegetarian. Means along with weed, unwanted weed and herb, it destroys all crops and whatever vegetarian is there, whatever desired plants are there. It is basically used in railway or ground cleaning purpose. Fine. On the basis of mode of action, it is classified as a selective herbicide, and for the another way is a non-selective herbicide. Selective herbicide, it damages only unwanted weed and herb without damaging crop, and non-selective herbicide, it destroys all crops and vegetarians, and it is basically used to clear the ground in railway track or in industrial area, even in cleaning of industrial area. What the point? You don't need to remember the examples because it will be heavy for you to remember the example of each pesticide and each insecticide. Generally, if you know the example of the pesticide, insecticide is fine, but at every point, no need to mug up the things. So just remember selective herbicide, non-selective herbicide. It damages, destroy only unwanted weed or crop without damaging crop, and non-selective herbicide, it destroys all crops and vegetarians. Next, herbicides. Herbicides are classified on the basis of their effect. Classification of herbicide on the basis of their effect means how it acts. Okay, so it is acts as contact herbicide and it is also called as systematic or translocated herbicide. Systematic herbicide or translocated. It is systematic or translocated herbicide, and this is a contact herbicide. See, from the meaning only you can understand what it means. Contact herbicide, it acts on the surface. It means weed or herbs get destroyed where herbicides comes in contact with the herbicide. Means just by coming with the contact, it gets destroyed. And systematic and translocated herbicide means that herbicides taken up into through their vascular system, and that weed gets destroyed. So herbicide taken internally through their vascular system. Means that herbicides absorb internally and that unwanted weed or herb get damaged. So it taken up through vascular system. Contact herbicide, they kill only the part of the plant. They kill only the part of the plant to which they kill only the part of the plant to which it is applied. Means, keep in mind very simple word. If herbicide or weeds comes in contact with the herbicide, that by coming in contact with the herbicide, that unwanted weed get destroyed. Or by coming in contact with herbicide, weed destroys. They kill only the part of the plant to which it is applied. Means it kills only that part by applying to that part, by applying that herbicide to that part, or by coming in contact with the herbicide, that will get destroyed. So I hope you got this classification and you got the meaning of herbicide. Herbicide is nothing but chemical substance or substance which is used to kill or destroy the unwanted herb or weed called as a herbicide. It is also called as a weed killer. It is divided on the basis of their mode of action: selective herbicide and non-selective herbicide. And we have seen is that we have discussed that what is selective herbicide, what is a non-selective herbicide. Selective herbicide, it damages only the herbicide without damaging the. It destroys the herbs or weeds without damaging the crops. And non-selective herbicide, it destroys all crops, weeds, unwanted weeds and vegetation. And it is basically used in industrial area to clean the ground and to clean the railway track also. Next classification, we have classified on the basis of their effect. Contact herbicide, and it is in another way it is a systematic or translocated herbicide. Contact herbicide, they kill only the part of the plant to which it is applied, or by just coming in contact with the herbicide, weeds get destroyed. And systematic or translocated herbicide is taken up internally by, or it moves through their body internally through the vascular system, their whatever it is called as xylem vessel or vascular system, and that will get destroyed. I hope you got the point which we have discussed in this lecture. The next pesticide we will discuss in our next lecture, that is a fungicide and rodenticide. And unlike this, we will classify the herbicide, fungicide and rodenticide also. Thank you.